Hey guys, welcome to another video. In today's video I'm going to teach you how to ventilate the hair on the lace for lace closures. Firstly, I'd like you to notice how I space out the ventilation in the front of the closure so it look more natural. This will prevent you from having to go over and pluck the hair, and in the back it's more thicker. Secondly, we're going to talk about how you hold the hair in your hand. You're going to hold the hair like this. You're going to make a little loop just like this. This took me a couple of hours, 3 different days, just this little piece of hair. I marked the area in which the part will be, so I'm starting here at the edge of the part. I'm going to insert my needle, my ventilating needle. I'm going to hook one strand of hair, simply because this is nearer to the parting area and I want it to look natural. So I'm going to hook one strand of hair, and I'm going to pull the needle back through in the opposite direction of which I inserted it. When I have it like this, I'm going to hook this here, turn it under and pull it out. Now make sure tension is on the hair, so you're going to make sure you're gripping the hair firmly when you're pulling it through. So you're going to pull it under like this, turn it, put it under, and you're going to make sure tension is always on the hair, just like that. Hook the hair, pull it through, make sure tension is on the hair, turn the needle under and pull. So let's try this again, but with 2 strands. Now for the double knot method, I'm going to use 2 strands of hair. Hook 2 strands just as you would normally. Pull it through. You're going to fold it under like this. Now when you have this, you're not going to pull it completely through and create one knot. You're going to go again, pull it under one more time, and then that time you pull it through, and there you go, you have a double knot right there. Let's do it again. Pull it through, loop it under, and you're going to loop it under again. So yeah guys, that it does, and I learned all of the technique now. Just remember to hold the hair tightly with some tension and you're good to go. Until next time, bye.